Are you someone who's afraid to try keto because everybody in the world is saying keto is dangerous, although the American Diabetes Association, the American Heart Association, and the American Association of Clinical Endocrinology endorse low carb, but you're still afraid? If that's you, you've come to the right video. Hi, I'm Dr. Hampton, and as you know, I'm on a mission to help you achieve metabolic health. And today, I have a good friend who is the host of the wonderful YouTube channel, Your Road to Health, Keto Done Right, Violet. And Violet is here to share her thoughts. And since she has keto on her YouTube channel, my assumption is that she's okay with keto. So Violet, tell us why people should not be afraid to try keto as a way to heal and achieve metabolic health.
Well, I think the number one thing that we need to think about is that food and health go hand in hand. And when the associations come together and tell us what we should be eating, and they're looking at keto, they're using old information a lot of the time. They're talking about the keto that we used to solve epilepsy back in the day, and they're really going far back for that one. And in fact, the keto that we're talking about today is about the number of carbs you're eating, not what you're specifically eating. And that scares people because I think that we don't realize that the truth is I can do keto with pretty much any food. I can do it with rice. I
Sure.
can do it with vegetables. Now, will I get to eat as much if I do it with rice as if I do it with vegetables? No, but I could theoretically do it with rice. I feel like that's what scares people is they don't actually know what to eat.
Mhm.
They get confused. And then when I don't know what to eat, that's scary because, well, we eat so many times a day because we're doing a standard American diet, right? So those 7 times a day that we're eating, and it just leaves us in this bad situation of feeling like I'm going to be starving all day. I'm going to be hungry. And we don't like being hungry. We don't like being uncomfortable. And so therefore we're afraid to do keto. So this version that they put in front of us, when they're talking about keto, gives us the wrong impression of what keto is.
That makes sense. And I when I talk to my clinicians about this topic, who still have fears, and I'll say, well, I ate steak and broccoli. I had some baked chicken and asparagus. So what part of that is dangerous? And I have patients who are plant-based who manage to do a low carb diet and do really well. I just don't want insulin spikes. So if I can avoid insulin spikes and help my patients maintain their blood sugar in a stable place, not only can they reverse their chronic medical conditions like diabetes, but they also will feel better and their mental health will be better and everything's just better. So I'm really excited to help spread the message with you, Violet, that keto is not dangerous. It's totally okay to eat that way. And I hope everybody checking out this video feels the same way. Now, having said that, Violet is not just making this video short with me. Violet was a guest on podcast episode 137. So check out that. I'll make sure to have that in the show notes. And of course, I want you to go to her YouTube channel, Road to Health, Keto Done Right. Great YouTube channel. She makes you think outside the box a little bit and will help you achieve your metabolic health. So thank you for coming to this video. Like and subscribe and share this video. And until the next video, continue to be safe, be well, and continue to protect your nest.